dirty down there.
And
Messy. Trying to figure out what those are. Why is that? Maybe it's the property line or something. I don't know.
not sure. Beautiful, eh? So
Look at the reflection of that dock. It's kind of cool.
it's pretty. So we're in Ganges Harbour, and this is where they're going to be putting the new docks. It looks, they're going to be huge.
Oh yeah, massive. This is the docks going in for Moby's, I think the marina, right?
Right.
They took the old ones out, so it's Island Marine Construction that's doing it.
Yeah.
And it's a big project. They've been working on it for a long time. Heck of a long time.
Yeah,
It'll be nice when it's done.
will be.
And it's good for the tourism because we get a lot of boats in here, right?
So will they actually run a boardwalk along that coast right over there? Like,
Well, they're talking
there's
about
a
it one day to
partial
finish
one.
it, but I don't know when they're
Yeah.
going to do that. That's
And over there you got the Harbour House.